All right, what I got going here, I threw my drive belt on my Troy Bilt Mustang Pivot 54 zero-turn rider XP. Hey, they can't just pick a simple name. It's steering wheel controlled zero-turn, so it's a four-wheel drive zero-turn tractor. And I was mowing last night and I was just on flat ground, and all of a sudden I got nothing. I can't go anywhere. Engine starts fine, runs perfect. Won't go back, won't go forward, nothing. Looking real close and trying to figure out what's going on, and yep, there is two belts on the back. There's the one belt to go to the deck, and there's a second belt that goes to the drive. And the belt for the drive, right there, goes around the fan. It goes around a similar fan on the other side, and it goes to a pulley in the back. So to have this loose, have the brake engaged here. I've got it jacked up with one of those dolly jack things from Harbor Freight. So I've got a couple feet off the ground there for that. And then I have a jack on the back with the tire off, and I got a board in back there too. So I've shook it quite a bit. It's stable enough that I'm confident that it's not going to fall. And even if the jack slid, it wouldn't fall over with a lot of pressure because it's still got this other tire on. So 3 points of contact. So what I've done so far, I removed this screw from that hole right there. This is one of the belt guards. So it's preventing the belt from going back on. That's a 13 millimeter. The tire is a 19 millimeter lugs on there. Those lug nuts right there, 4 of them. One of them is actually pretty loose. There's a rubber gasket right there. I took that one out. It pops off really easy. There's another guide in that area somewhere, but there's so much grass in there I can't see anything, so I got to blow that out. You look in that hole with the light shining, you can see the bolt right in there. There's only one bolt, so that is the one I need. Yeah, it was it. I had to just turn it a few more turns. So I can tighten it back. The pulley's in position. Oh, I got it. Alright, let's lower it down and then I'll torque it. Those safety catches. Oh, I got the brake on, that's why. Normally it rotates back, but I forgot to turn the brake off, so it's pushing me. The brake. Duh. Alright. It all works. Bye-bye.